this is Shriyanka and you're watching Mobile News 24/7. Let's have a look on the top stories of the day. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik launched the distribution of smart health cards in Mayurbhanj district today. He also inaugurated and laid the foundation stones of 405 developmental projects worth Rs 2,400 crore in the district. 4 persons including 3 police personnel were injured during a clash between police and BJP workers on the premises of Narsinghpur police station. Reportedly, the BJP workers had gherraud the police station alleging illegal detention of 3 party members of Rataput village. State Election Commissioner Aditya Prasad Padhi informed that this time there will be central counting. For the first time, ballot boxes will be stored in strong rooms at the block level where central counting will be held instead of panchayat level. In a heartwarming gesture, an ambulance staff carried a pregnant woman on a makeshift stretcher for 2 kilometers in absence of a motorable road. The incident happened at Galelput village of Koraput district. A day after India crossed the 100 crore vaccination mark, Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla announced that COVID-19 vaccine for kids Covovax to launch by February 2021. SII claimed that Covovax could be administered to children as young as 2 to 3 years. Odisha will receive needle-free COVID-19 vaccination for kids, Health and Family Welfare Director Bijay Panigrahi informed. Odisha government began the training to vaccinate children against COVID-19 from today. Reportedly, 2 vaccines for children aged between 2 to 18 have been suggested, out of which Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has been granted emergency use approval by Drugs and Controller General of India. Balangir police took the prime accused in Mamata murder case Govinda Sahu to recreate the scene around 4 am today in presence of Northern Range DIG. Reportedly, a mobile phone, a bag comprising of 1 charger, 3 pairs of ladies' dress and some medicines has been recovered from the house of prime accused Govinda's driver Radhe. A day after Kulesika joined BJD, OPCC working president and former MP Pradeep Majhi resigns from primary membership of Congress, submitting his resignation letter to party interim president Sonia Gandhi. There were talks in political circles over several dissatisfied Congress leaders joining BJD. Commando IIC Pramod Patnaik has been transferred to DCP's office following Constable Prasanna Behera's suspension over an indefinite period over dereliction of duty. In a raid conducted by a joint squad of Cuttack Excise Squad, Basta Police and Baleswar Police, a huge quantity of brown sugar worth more than Rs 2 crore has been seized in Baleswar district, along with the arrest of 3 peddlers including 1 woman. On the other hand, Narcotics Control Bureau has seized 250 kg ganja from Rasulgarh area of Bhubaneswar. The ganja was being exported in a very unique manner and was seized from an oil tanker. Petrol and diesel prices have continued to increase for 3rd consecutive day in capital city Bhubaneswar. Today, the petrol price stands at Rs 107.48 per litre, while the diesel price has been recorded at Rs 103.92 per litre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged citizens to exercise caution as the festival season got underway. Moreover, numerous dignitaries, including Microsoft founder Bill Gates, congratulated India on achieving the milestone of 100 crore vaccine. A major fire broke out at multi-story building in Abhigna Park in South Central Mumbai today. 1 person was rushed to hospital, police said. India registered 15,786 fresh COVID-19 infections and 231 deaths, the Union Health Ministry announced. Meanwhile, Odisha recorded 467 fresh COVID-19 infections, out of which 86 are between the age of 0 to 18 years. The Supreme Court sought a detailed response from former Twitter India Managing Director Manish Maheshwari. It came after hearing the Uttar Pradesh government's plea challenging the Karnataka High Court's order granting him interim protection in connection with the Ghaziabad viral video case. A Delhi court refused to entertain the bail plea of Jawaharlal Nehru University student and activist Sarjil Imam in a 2019 case. It was related to alleged inflammatory speeches against Citizenship Amendment Act and National Register of Citizens. Actor Ananya Pandey, who was questioned for 2 hours by the NCB yesterday, has been summoned again. Ananya Pandey has denied reports claiming that she arranged to stay updated. Keep watching Mobile News 24/7.